Doji. Now what is a doji? Doji is a candlestick like this. Same open, same close. Now doji is formed when opening and closing prices are at the same level. Now when I say at the same level, I mean that you can keep at like 3, 4, 5 cents difference. It could be a difference because once you're looking at the chart, you may not find an exact copy of doji, but anything with 3, 4, 5 cents difference is good. But if it goes beyond 5 cents, don't believe it is a doji candle. Now the length of the shadows can vary. So it could be higher high, lower low, or anything like that. So you don't believe on the shadow, you just believe on the opening and closing price, as they are the same, and that's what a doji is. Now we will discuss doji on chart. Doji. Now how do we know which candlestick is a doji? As we discussed, a doji candle is which have a same as like open is same as close, but it has a small spike up and small spike down. Basically it is telling you that on that day market was confused and didn't like went any way, either bullish or bearish. And if you look at the chart, you can pick something like this. Let me zoom in for you right here. Now if you look at it closely, between the open and close there is a 3 cent difference. It opened at 147.54 but closed at 147.51. Now if you're trading, you will understand that usually 2, 3, 5 cents is not a major difference. Therefore I consider them to be like doji. You can pick another doji right here, 154, and the closing is 153.99. So it's again a doji candle. Now doji means it doesn't know where to go, and that usually happens before a reversal. Example, this was a bullish thing, then it made doji and went down. It was a bullish thing, then it made doji and it went down. But don't fall into the trap that it will always happen. It may or may not happen, but it's a clear like indication that there is something wrong. Either the wrong thing will happen or not. That's a case that will be done after a few, like within the next day or two or more. Example, right here it was doji, it opened lower. Right here it was doji but it went higher. So it's like a candlestick that tells you there is some confusion, and that's what it is. There is nothing extra into it. Thank you.